Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the videopreneur. There is Old Glory. Nice breeze today. So we're at Bill Thomas Camper, Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used, service, and parts. You're looking at a 2026 Airstream Globetrotter 25 FB twin. And I say it on every twin that I shoot. I love the twin as opposed to the queen size bed. So much easier to move around. Plus you get additional length on the bedding. And I'm 6'3", and that really comes in handy. I enjoy that. So here we have our table that drops down for additional sleeping. You can see the couch arrangement, additional sleeping, flat screen TV, kitchen, nice wide and deep sink, and we have drawers, cabinets, 3-burner cooktop, microwave, convection oven. We have storage for your dry goods, additional storage there. We have additional storage up top, across the back, as well as speakers, exhaust fan. Then you have your skylight with you, which you do on all Airstreams. Show you the additional closet and hang-up clothes here. We have privacy screen on both ends, so if you have guests sleeping, as far as guests are concerned, everybody can use this beautiful bathroom. And I like the mirror there, as well as your articulating mirror. Plenty of cabinet space, your commode, exhaust for the warm air. And then, speaking of warm air, when you take a hot shower, you also have exhaust. LED lighting, your clothesline, nice setup. As I mentioned, it's the twin. And if you had a queen size bed, it would be set up, the head of the queen size bed would be over here. So you kind of have to work your way around the bedding there to get to the other side. Here, so much easier. Plus you get additional length on your twin beds. You have cabinets above, slightly smaller flat screen TV. You have your controls, and then you have, this is for your dining table if you drop that down and you want to accommodate additional sleeping. And then you have this cabinet. You can remove these shelves and use the hang-up rod, clothing rod if you like. Additional privacy screen, as I mentioned. So again, 2026, excuse me, 2026 Airstream 25 FB, I got something in my throat. 25 FB twin. Thank you again.